All right, I am pretty sure that I'm recording. Yeah, it says that I'm recording. Um, I just want to show you some quick, cool things that I like about my BoldTrail's webpage right here. As you can see, my BoldTrail's webpage right here, provided as part of being an agent at XP Realty. So this is like my hub, like all my content videos, all my long form videos, my reels, my shorts, my pictures in my social media posts, all of them, well, 80%, 88% of them push all the consumers to this website basically because it's a hub. So at XP Realty, you get to pick three different CRMs: Closer, Luby, and BoldTrail's. And it may not be called Luby, may be called something else, but I use BoldTrail's is what I use. And I'm just going to show you some features on my website that I like, not getting into the back end of the website, but the consumer front end of the website. So on all my social media posts, they get to go directly to what that specific post is about, but they all go to this site just inside the site at different places. Like if I'm doing a video on a house and I'm showing people the house or the blog or map tour, like this is a map tour. I use this blog and I do tracking on me and on my advertising through Google. You can go like to Google and track when your name or something about you hits the SEO and things like that. And one of the things that I do is I utilize this blog to hit those trackers on Google. So I know when one of my blogs ranks, Google sends me a notification that says, hey, here's something written about you. And I have to compete with a UFC fighter. So if I can get Google to recognize me as a real estate agent against a UFC fighter, then God's blessing me. I'm doing something right when it comes to SEO. So yeah, this is my blog. This is my latest blog post. It did something weird right here. This is supposed to be hyperlinked, and I don't know what's going on right there. That hasn't happened on one of my blog posts before, so I need to look into that. I haven't yet. But yeah, this is a blog post that I use. This is a blog post about selling your home. I need to go in here and edit it a little bit, make it more consumer friendly. The internet can read everything. The internet can read everything about it, but these are just blog posts that I use to hit SEO and make my site show up higher in Google rankings so I can get more consumers to my teammates and help them sell more houses. But this is the homepage. That was my blog. This is the homepage. So whenever they land there, they got a nice clean website. I've got it set up as the general quick search for the whole MLS. And then I've got it set up to the featured areas. Then it goes into my listings down here. And then I have open houses. Open houses throughout the metro. Always have that. A little bit about me. I need to update it. That's probably 2 years old. I definitely need to update that. Then it goes into my blogs, then different areas that I cover, which is basically the whole state of Oklahoma. Because I've got some awesome referral agents and team members throughout the state of Oklahoma and some great business partners throughout the state of Oklahoma. So yeah, so I like the general layout of it. I like the blog form of it. I also like the sell your home feature. See how I'm hovering over sell right here? It pops up and the people simply put their address in. The consumer will put their address in right there, and whether or not they register, the system still sends me a notification when someone's put their address in. So I know that's a seller that wants to sell. So regardless on if that seller registers all the way and gives me their contact info or not, the website still tells me they're interested in selling. I still put a valuation packet together. I still mail them out the valuation packet. And guys, I've gotten 2 listings that way by people filling out this get your home value, and they didn't register. These are people that didn't register. I probably had 10 or 12 of those. It was like, I don't want Josh to know who I am. Well, the system still gives me their address, and I can still send them the valuation report, and I picked up 2 of them. So that's close to like 17% success rate with people who didn't register all the way but put their address in my website. And I really like that aspect of the website. And then let me back out of there. See, it's not letting me back out. I I don't know if I'm cookied or not on this website, but agent profile is nice. A little bit about me. I need to update this. I haven't updated it too years. It has my properties over here, a picture that I definitely need to update. That's a little older picture than I like to admit. But I don't look too much different. I should probably go do some burpees. I, I probably look 20, 30, 40 pounds less right there. So I probably need to go do some burpees. Right here, my KV Core is not KV Core, Bold Trail. They just switched over to BoldTrail's, and this video is about why I like my BoldTrail's website. But they just switched over to BoldTrail's. That's my BoldTrail's number. That number's on all my signs. It's on all my posts, all my content. That way, everything goes through the website, the back end of the website. And if you want to schedule a one-on-one call, just info down in the description below. I'd love to chat with you more about the one-on-one back end site of BoldTrail's. That's where all the stuff really happens, but I'm not going to put any of that on a public website because that's all real information on my site. I don't have a fake site set up, but takes them to my Facebook page, takes them to my X page. I don't even think I'm active on X anymore. LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. And then right here, you've got other resources, city blogs and infos, other resources, questions. They could plug them in there. Living in Seminole stuff, property search stuff, download the app. I've had customers recently download the app and do valuation reports on the app too. But yeah, so if you're checking out websites, if you're weighing websites and you're like, man, maybe BoldTrail's, aka used to be called KV Core, is a website for me. I think it is. You could definitely, oh yeah, here's another home valuation. Here's another, check out my blog page. I definitely think it's worth it. I used to pay for a website, but when I joined EXP, of course, this comes with being an EXP member. And I used to pay for a email marketing system too. I just use the one that's with BoldTrail's now. That's all I use is the one with BoldTrail's now. And that's the one that I use and I enjoy it. But yeah, I would highly recommend BoldTrail's over other CRMs at this time. Right now, EXP lets you do BoldTrail's, Closer, which doesn't have a website, I don't think, and then some other one like Luby or Lucy or something. I don't know the exact name of it. I'm just sticking with BoldTrail's. I really enjoy it. It handles my blog post. It handles my mass emails, my mass text messages, my phone calls when I'm calling customers back, when I'm calling leads back from the phone number. When they call, it logs all that. It does all that. Schedule a one-on-one with me. The calendar link is down in the description below so I can show you how that works. That is amazing. I really love that feature about it. That way, all of my team members, all my referral agents, all those notes are kept in one spot through BoldTrail's, through the CRM portion of BoldTrail's that routes through the website. It's pretty freaking cool. But yeah, that's my 2 cents on BoldTrail's, and another reason why so many agents enjoy being at EXP Realty, because amazing tools, amazing technology, amazing training. They've got training on this built into the system. You can sit here and watch training on it anytime you want. It's freaking amazing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit me up with any questions, call, text, or email me. And then also the video, if you give the video a thumbs up, I'd really, really appreciate that. I think I already said that. All right. See you guys on the next one.